Hello, let's solve for x. In today's equation, we have x squared plus 8x is equals to minus 15. So, how do you solve this equation? We're going to put the equation order, so we're going to remove this one to the other side of the equation. So, we're going to have x squared plus 8 plus 15 is equals to 0. And then when you take a number from one side to the other side, it changes the sign. So, we're going to factorize, or you can always use the quadratic formula. So, our factors is plus 5 plus 3. X plus 5 is equals to 0, or x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 5, or x is equals to minus 3. Remember, when you take a number from one side of the equation to the other side, it changes the sign. Hello, let's solve for x. Into this equation, we have x squared minus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. So how do you solve this equation? You can use the quadratic formula, or you can just factorize. So when we factorize, we want two numbers that when you multiply them, they give you minus 24, but when you add them, they give you minus 2. Okay, so the numbers that we have is minus 6 and plus 4. Okay, x minus 6 is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to 6, or x is equals to minus 4. Remember, when you take a number from one side of the equation to the other side, it changes the sign. Hello guys, let's solve for x. In today's equation, we have x squared minus 6x is equals to 0. So how do you solve this equation? We have a common factor x, so we're going to remove it. X minus 6 is equals to 0. Then we equate x is equals to 0, or x minus 6 is equals to 0, x is equals to 6. Remember, when you take a number from one side of the equation to the other side, it changes the sign.